Happy Thanksgiving 2019. With Christmas being right around the corner, I know many of you guys are hoping Santa Claus is going to bring you a thermal for your 2020 adventures. We are on our first to fifth generation of commercial thermal sales, and there's so many thermals out on the market right now that has absolutely brought the price down. So maybe if you've been good this year, Santa might be bringing you a thermal device. By the way, if you are looking, contact either myself or Myron, and we will hook you up and get you a thermal hopefully before the Christmas holidays. What I'm going to do, since many of you guys have sent me so many 6.5 Creedmoor ammo, I'm going to play a little game. I have strung together 20 videos that's going to last maybe about 2.5 minutes long on animals that I have thermaled for the past many years. I want you to guess all of the animals, and I've listed on there what thermal I'm using and the number. And so what I want you to do is comment below, or I'll post an email where you can send me this if you're not, if you don't have a YouTube account, or I'll put it on Facebook. I'll give you all the accounts that you can look at. Just look below for the information. I want you to send me all animals 1 through 20. And those who get it right, I will put you in a lottery to win 20 rounds of either factory ammo, and I don't have exactly 20, so I'll do some kind of combination, or I can send you, if you're a reloader, 20 rounds of other ammo that I've been sent through the past. To make it a fun game. So comment below, and then on December 25th, I'm going to put all the winners into a lottery and announce that. But more importantly, I'm going to do a follow-up video and release that on December the 25th that tells you what my indicators are, how I know what these animals are, because I've been in the field for so long. So good luck. May you win some ammo. Hopefully Santa will bring you a thermal, and share this video with many people as possible. Blessings. Happy Thanksgiving. Good luck, and stay tuned for my next adventure.